They are loving their new cage. And yes, that's a fan. And no, I do not put it on. They use it as a stand, as you can see. They have their gym, the new cage. They've been loving it. He sleeps inside that little tent, the purple tent. Isn't that cute? And she was sitting on top of it. That's how they slept last night. I gave him new nesting material, and he's been building her a new nest. So I think that's cute. He builds her, he did the last one too. He builds it for her to see if she likes it. And if she doesn't like something, she'll toss it out. And he goes back and rebuilds it. And so that's the beginning of the mating ritual. So they're starting fresh in their new home. Look at the nice big doors. I love it. Little rooftops. So, yeah. He is presenting his queen with her new nest, and she will inspect it. And hopefully everything goes good. Like Sue said, new home, new start, new life. Hopefully new babies. So that is the update on the canaries. Have a great day, everyone.